What happens if the line isn't done yet but by 7 p.m.? Ano? Ay! Sorry. If, 'di ba, if by 7 p.m. hindi pa tapos yung pila, ang mangyayari doon, hindi ko alam kung karmahin ako dun sa mga empleyado ko kung ipapa-OT ko pa sila. So, ang mangyayari doon, most probably, ako na yung magiging cashier. Guys, okay lang. Naka-CR na ako. Ganito pala kapag pag online seller, parang hindi mo talaga maiwan. Kasi parang gusto mo lang sagutin lahat ng mga tanong. Walang sale sa website. So, sa pop-up lang mismo may sale. After ng pop-up, back to regular items na lahat. Hi, may pag-Gmail. Anong Gmail? Pwede po ba walk-in talaga guys kasi wala nang registration. So, free entrance na sa lahat. Pang mail ba? Guys, Charlotte Folk is for everyone. Unisex. Paano kami boss nasa Cebu? Paano? Your favorite flower? Flower girl? Yes, maraming food or tambayan outside. May kailan saan ang location? December 13, Studio SSE Pasay. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I really need to pee. Okay lang ba andun ng 7 a.m. or mas maaga? Guys, kayo bahala kasi ang start is at 10 a.m. So, kayo bahala anong gusto nyo, kung ano oras kayo pupunta. Tapusin nyo ba yung we will try our best. May pa-letter and autograph rin po ba kami like guys, try ko yung parang hindi ko kaya yung letter kasi mahaba ako mag-letter. So, autograph na lang guys. Dala kayo ng marker. Ganda, sobra ng hoodies. Kakabay ko lang 2. Angas. Thank you. Peace. I need to pee now. Bye, everyone. Thank you. I can't wait to see you guys. December 13 to 14, Studio SSE, Pasay. Charlotte Folk Pop-Up, free entrance. Bye-bye. I love you.